What a beautiful day for a big adventure.
Wait for me! What is all that stuff? An adventurer should be prepared for anything.
We're going to a mine, Percy.
The snorkel is in case the mine is flooded and we gotta go underwater.
And what's that?
A ghost scare machine. The mines could be haunted, and if I'm prepared, I won't be scared.
We made it! Now all we gotta do is find that crystal cave. Those guys are gonna be so amazed that little Sandy got there first.
You mean that Sandy and Diesel got there first?
Right. Here we are. Better grab the map. Okay, straight ahead.
When I said the old mine was dark and scary, why didn't I listen? Are we almost there?
Not sure. This old map is hard to read. Everyone okay?
Maybe we should head back home.
Come take a look at this, Percy.
Which way should we go?
It's so dark in here, I can barely read the map. Look.
That way.
Come on, Big Adventure Club.
Oh, yeah.
Why couldn't I have signed up for the Little Adventure Club?
This way, Diesel. Come on.
Easy for you to say. You're so little this old bridge isn't falling apart underneath you. Well, no going back now.
The Bigger Adventure Club always goes forward.
Look.
Crystals. The crystal cave must be that way.
I bet there's giant spiders in here.
Cool. I hope so. And I bet there are bats and centipedes and snakes and wiggly worms and...
Ah! Are they on me? I think I can feel them all over.
Don't worry, Percy. I'm sure there aren't any. Ah! Diesel! He's too far away to hear us.
We're going to take a shortcut. Then I'll definitely get there on time.
He's headed right for Crumble Canyon with all those bumps.
Jumbo could pop out any second. Come on, we've got to catch up to him.
Can't be late. Whoa! I don't have time to slow down for all these bumps. But I also could break my car.
Phew! He's slowing down.
Yeah, but Thomas, we aren't.
Diesel, wait up!
What are you two doing here?
There was a mix-up with your delivery.
You took Jumbo by mistake.
Jumbo?
Yeah, that car's gonna explode. Confetti everywhere. Conflano!
Confetti? Oh, I get it. More jokes, right? Yeah, okay, ha-ha.
No, this isn't a joke. We're trying to help you. This is your delivery.
Like I'm gonna fall for that. Now, if you want to help me, just let me do my job.
He didn't believe us.
Even if he gets there on time, it won't matter if he has the wrong delivery. What are we gonna do?
I'll tell you what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna give up.
Nothing's gonna stop me this time. Oh, no, you don't. Nice try.
Ah!
is going to stop me from getting this delivery on time. But just to make sure those jokesters don't try to slow us down with their funny business...
Where did Diesel go? Down there! He switched tracks on us again, and he's almost at Random Docks. When he arrives with Jumbo, his delivery dreams are going to blow up.
My eyes spy something black and white.
Is it a cow?
Moo betcha. Your turn.
My eye spies something silver and super twisty.
Is it those twisty twirly tracks? Uh-oh. Twisty twirly tracks? Won't those be difficult to cross with our colossal cargo?
There'll be a breeze if we do it together.
A little bumpy there.
Good thing this team is going slow.
Hey, Percy! I want to play too. My eye spy. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow, those tracks were chugga too fun.
And you were right. It was a breeze when we took it nice and slow.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wait up!
Slow down!
I don't think they heard us.
I mean you! Whoa!
Rusty wheel spikes.
Whoa! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Phew, that was a close one.
Yeah, and it was kind of exciting too. Though, we should be more careful if we want to get this cottage delivered in one piece.
Yeah, you're right. I was thinking more about Percy's My Eye Spy game.
My eyes spy.
Which we can catch if we cut through that tunnel. Come on!
I just don't get what the big deal is. Why can't we play our own game of My Eye Spy? Here, I'll start. My Eye Spy something black and white.
Is it... that skunk?
Skunk?
Such big stink in such a little skunk. But you should see your face right now.
My face? You look like you've seen a green ghost.
Come on, we still have time to catch up to Percy.
So much for my plan. Now I'll never get to carry Floaty in the parade.
Wait! She's coming back! Almost.
It's too high. Even my steam is pushing her away.
Wait a second! And now it's even further away. That means we can use the steam to push the balloon where we want to.
But even if we push her to Vicarstown, we'll never catch her that high up.
Then it's time to improvise.
Improvise?
Yeah, you know, make it up as we go.
Okay then, let's improvise. Hey, if we push Floaty to Lookout Mountain, we can grab it from above.
But how are we going to hook up back onto you, Nia? Sandy and Carly have hooks. Yeah. I'll go get them. We'll fast track and meet you at the top of Lookout Mountain.
Thanks, Kana. Come on, Thomas, I know just the route. A little puff here.
And a little puff there. Hey, look! There's Carly and Sandy with Kana. Up here!
Howdy!
Hey, down there. This is it. Let's give Floaty one last push. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Come on.
It's coming up higher than we thought.
Don't worry. I got it. I got it. Yes.
Nice job.
Nice one, Sandy.
Yeah.
Totally awesome. Whoa.
Hang on, Sandy. Gotcha, Sandy.
Thanks, Carly.
Whoa.
Hang on.
Hold on.
Hang on. Yep, we got you. Come on. Yeah.
Electric.
Epic.
Here we are. The overnight stop.
The great outdoors. No roof over our chimneys.
What?
No wall at our rear buffers.
I didn't even think of that.
The music of the forest all around us.
I'm afraid to sleep away from home.
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want you to think I was a scaredy train.
It's okay to be nervous. I used to get nervous sleeping away from home.
Me too.
You did?
Totally. And camping out in the woods can seem scary at first, but it can also be a lot of fun.
That's right. There's a ton of fun camping games we can play.
Really? Like what?
Chug, chug, chug your train gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is a stream. Wow! Look at those constellations, Percy. That's Trinus. Oh, Engine Eye. And there's the little steamer.
I think you mean Taurus, Gemini, and a Little Dipper.
You know what? I think I'm actually beginning to like camping.
Glad to hear it, Percy. Oh, because I think it's time to go to sleep.
Sleep?
Yep. We've got another long day tomorrow, so we better all get some rest so we can make our deliveries.
Good night, Thomas. Good night, Nia.
Good night, Percy.
Chugga, 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 chugga.
Thomas! Hey, Thomas! Psst. Thomas! Thomas!
Yeah, Percy?
Oh, good. You're awake.
I am now, but shh, we don't want to wake Nia.
Too late.
What's going on, Locamigo?
There's all kind of weird noises out here. Like that!
That's just the creaky crick of a little cricket.
Hi, trains I've never seen before. I'm Sandy. How can I help you?
Psst, it's us, Thomas and Percy. We're secret agents.
Cool. Great disguises.
Thanks. We're wondering if you have any cool gadgets for sneaking around in the dark.
Do I ever?
Shh! We're on a super secret mission.
Oh, right. Follow me. A little bit to the left? No, the right. Sorry. There we go. Huh? Ta-da! Now you can send secret colour messages with your stacks. Try it.
That means look out. dinosaur on the tracks.
Epic steam signal. I've also hooked a tank of super slippery gloop to you, in case you need to make a quick getaway. Whee! See?
Cool!
Now, for the super secretest gadget of all. Huh?
What is it?
It's so super secret, I don't even know. It's only for a really big emergency.
Thanks, Sandy. Now we're ready for anything.
Yeah, I'm not so scared if I feel prepared.
Ready, Agent 006?
Ready, Agent number 1.
Thanks for using Sandy's super duper super secret gadget service.
Come on, let's turn off our lights and see if we can make it past the big station without being seen.
Turn off our lights? Okay.
Be really quiet. Phew, that was close.
This sure is fun, Tom. I mean, Agent number 1.
It sure is, Agent 006.
Are you sure we don't need our disguises anymore, Thomas?
No one can see us in the dark.
Oh, yeah, it's the dark. Thomas, what's that noise?
It's nothing to worry about, Percy. Look. It's just an old weather vane.
Phew.
You know, secret agents don't just go unseen. We also go unheard. Let's see if we can sneak through the farm without waking the animals. Follow me.